In this lesson, we will learn clauses and non-defining clauses. We will use examples from Unit 1 of your English textbook. First, we will understand the rule.
A defining clause gives important information about a person, place, or thing. If we remove it, the listener may not know exactly which person or thing we are talking about.
A defining clause tells exactly which person or clause tells exactly which person or thing we mean. Defining clauses usually begin with who, which, or that. The clause identifies which motivational speaker we mean. The defining clause makes the noun more precise. This clause tells us exactly what kind of person Nick is.
Defining clauses do not use commas, because the information is essential.
The sentence still makes sense without this clause.
Non-defining clauses are separated by commas.
This information is interesting but not necessary to identify Nick. The commas show that the clause provides extra information, making it a non-defining. In this sentence, the clause is placed between commas. It adds extra information about Nick. This is called a non-defining clause. Commas show that the information is additional. They gently separate non-defining clauses from the main sentence.
The biggest difference is whether the information is essential or extra. Nick, who inspires millions, travels widely. The commas show it is a non-defining clause. Nick.
No commas are used because the information is essential. Use commas for extra information and avoid commas for essential information. This simple rule will keep your writing perfectly clear.
Keep learning grammar through real tech textbook examples. See you in the next lesson.